bridge.
They had to move a existing hotel out of the way. Across the street from the Alamo now.
These things to my left that are sticking out of the ground, those are actually roots from the cypress trees, and they're called cypress knees. And if you look across the river, you're going to see a statue. That statue is of St. Anthony de Padua, or San Antonio, and it was a gift from Portugal to the city for the 1968 Hemisphere World's Fair.
That's what it's called? So they grow good in Texas, dry. We live in Fort Worth. Would that be a good thing?
Yeah,
My family's from Vegas. Oh, wait, princess.
That one has
Keep your eyes peeled for candy store. Hey, y'all. Princess on board.
And we are coming into the River Center Mall area.
Sophie.
If you've never been in this mall,
Sophie.
you put that down on your list of places to see. And it is quite unique. If you go, that mall has over 1 million square feet of space. It has a lot of stores, restaurants. It has the IMAX theater in there with the 30-foot screen.
Is that where we were
And if you go into any one of those places that I just mentioned,
Wow.
I doubt if they'll recognize your face.
Right there.
But I guarantee you they'll recognize your American Express,
Yeah.
your Visa, or MasterCard.
I wonder if we could get off here and take a picture.
Corey Becker's cash.
Princess waving.
Oh, folks, did I mention to you about Texas poison ivy?